This little guy is going to the Highlands County Humane Society's Terra Trail this year. They do a Terra Trail every Halloween that will scare the bejeebers out of you. Anyway, this is my little guy that I just started working on. I like using oil-based paints so that I can make them look a little more real to me. Water-based paints don't seem to look as realistic to me. I cut out this little skull head. Obviously, it's the wrong scale completely, but by cutting out the face, I'm able to fit it on there. And wow, that looks creepy. And then I just misted a little bit of white paint. I spray painted white paint into my paint gun with a little shot of acetone with a squeeze bottle just to thin it out, and was able to spray it in. I packed some paper towels in around the jaw, used some hot glue to take up the void, and make it go. I used a little bit of house paint. I used a blue-gray house paint because it will stick to plastic like nobody's business. I'm sure that's not how a onesie goes on, and the hat was way too big. So I just split everything up the back and tucked it all in because, it's supposed to be a rotting dead baby zombie in an incubator. So, that's what it is. If you want to make things look moldy and mildewed, spray them with water with a spray bottle, like an empty Windex bottle of water. Splash it with greens, blacks, dark grays, and then spray it again, and it will look just like mold. If you're doing it with oil based like I do, I put it in a squeeze bottle, like a hair dye bottle that you can get from any place that sells hair dye products, and put acetone in it. It evaporates immediately, and no matter how much you get on you, within reason, it's relatively safe. It won't hurt you, and it doesn't seem to damage anything or eat anything. I also took any of the paint off of his teeth so that he had that really super, super creepy look. And just for finishing touches, I like to use a little bit of wood stain so that you can really give it that aged look. And if you don't have wood stain, you can use coffee. Remember, the Highlands County Humane Society is where they are having the Terra Trail.